Okay, hello tubers. We got a 2012 GMC T8 with a 2.4 engine. I'm looking at the scope from the high pressure pump. The complaint on the vehicle is that high pressure sensor performance. Okay, they changed the rail pressure sensor, didn't help. Now I drove the car and it lost power. It says reduced power, and I didn't clear the codes. There was a bunch of codes. I just went straight for the scope. This is what we have. We have positive and negative, two sides of the solenoid, and one is obviously active and one is not so active. Okay, I'm going to change the scale just to see a little bit better. Okay, all right. Yeah, there's little activity on, I'm going to show you. Little activity on the green channel. Green channel is purple wire. Okay, green channel. This is turn off. Yeah, this is what green channel shows. All right. This is what yellow wire shows. Yellow to yellow, obviously. Okay, so turn it back on. Let's do a little bit more of a fine scale, a little bit here. Looks good to me. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to go clear the codes and look at the same pattern with the codes clear. This is the to determine whether the high pressure pump is good or not. This is the test that I'm going to do. I'm going to clear the codes now, right, and see how it works on the scope, and then, or before that, I can see the pressure going. Yep, that's it. It shut off. Would you start it up, please? Of course it would shut off with a bunch of codes like that. Of course it should. All right, ready? Go ahead, please. Okay, right, codes, no codes, good. Now I'm going to show you the pressures, low and high pressure, very important for this type of problem. We're going to data, and engine data, and right there, okay, switch to PIDs. It's in the end of the fuel rail desired. That's it. Fuel rate desired is opposite from actual. The highlighted is desired. Again, highlighted desired. This is actual. Step on the gas, please. Okay, good. Thank you. All right. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to put it in graph mode. 180, okay. We got desired pressure, fuel pressure. Okay, go ahead please again. Okay, all right. All right, there's a difference. You can see that there's a difference between the desired, how it should be, and the fuel rate pressure right here. Right here, there's a problem. Right here. You see how it goes up and down instead? Okay. All right. What I want to do, the last thing is I'm going to go back to the scope and look at the solenoid in action, see what kind of signals we get there, and draw the conclusions from that. Okay, so we're going back to here, scope, left scope, volts, right here. Okay, it didn't change much, although green signal, interesting. The green signal is still not showing the right pattern. Right here, 52 seconds. Okay, that's what it is. Step on the gas, please. Okay. All right, so we call it baseline test reading. That's what it looks like when it's running good. It changes the pressure by pulsing the yellow light. Let's turn them off one by one to see. Okay, yellow off. That's the green light. That's what it does. Okay, and just the yellow. Okay, that's the use of two-channel scope. Very convenient. Okay, subscribe to my channel, please.